It's Takeout Friday, and we got Wendy's, so let's try it together. Okay guys, so we got 2 junior bacon cheeseburgers. We got chili cheese fries, Baconator fries, and we got a chive and sour cream potato. So let's try it, like always. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Oh, yum.
Did they put my pickles? Yep, they put my pickles.
Did they put my bacon? They did.
There's my bacon. I love bacon.
I love Wendy's hamburgers.
Me too. It's like so fresh.
Overdose on the mayo right there. Okay guys, so let's try the fries. This one's the Baconator one. And they put a lot of bacon.
And I have the chili cheese fries with, I see 1 bean over there, and that's about it, but that's okay. Let me just add some mayo. Guys, put mayo on your chili cheese fries. It's so good. And we added some onions. Mmm. Yum.
I feel like you can't eat these fries with a fork. Okay, these are good. I'm gonna wipe it on my mayo here.
Now for the chili cheese fries. Oh wait, I see more than 1 bean. These are better. Okay, here's a close-up of the chili cheese fries. And now we're gonna try the baked potato with chives and sour cream. Let's open sour cream. I love sour cream. I feel like I can eat it with a spoon. Don't judge. Like extra sour cream.
Yep, that's good.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna add cheddar cheese and bacon to it. It's so good. Wendy's is always a hit.
Literally, so good.